They say God gives his toughest battles to his strongest warriors. I've heard that my whole life, and I used to believe it. But tonight, I'm tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep fixes. The kind of tired that's been building for years. I don't want to be the strong one anymore. I don't want to be the warrior. I don't want to fight. I just want to rest. I need a break from it all. And maybe, if you're honest with yourself right now, you don't either. And that's okay. Because even warriors were never meant to carry it all alone. Stop fighting in the dark by yourself. Let someone hold you up. Hand the weight to God, because his shoulders were made for what yours were not. You are not broken. You are rebuilding. You are part of the rebuilders. And you are not alone.